Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I'm here with a quick video of a small haul. And I don't often do haul videos, but I wanted to do this one to give a shout out to the seller. And her name is Penny Pudge, and she's just the sweetest lady. And once a month, if you're not familiar, there's a seller's market on YouTube, and it's called XXXXXxxxxxxxxx Market. And they just so happen to be having their sale this coming weekend, Saturday and Sunday. And one of the sellers will host on each day. So there's a different host on each day, and then there are different sellers on each day. And Penny's going to be selling on Sunday. And I will put a link in the description box to the two sales. But in case you are interested, Penny is going to have, I think she's going to have the things that I got the last sale again. So if anybody's interested, they'll be able to go to the sale and grab some of these. So let me get started. First of all, this is a thank you gift, and she knows how much I love these, so she sent me some of these. It's a trim. Well, I don't want to open this one, so let me show you from the gift. There's pink and beige and like a bluish green. And it's a very, I call it tatty, but I'm not sure what you would call it. Like the edges are all frayed, and I just love that. And it's a thin little trim, so that it's great for journals. And this is what it looks like. This is the beige. Look at that. And I think she sells them in different ways. Some they're per yard. Some she has 2 yards. Some she has like a combination of the colors, and some you can just get, the one color if that's all you want. So there's that color. There's this really pretty greenish blue color. It's not, I don't think there's much blue in it, but I think there's a tad. And then here's the pink. And it's just so, I just love the fraying. And I have a hard time doing this, the fraying part. I don't know why, but when I get fabric like this. And this was actually on this bag as a tie, and I had taken it off. Excuse me. Sorry. Still has sinus issues, and I don't think they're going to go away soon. So I do apologize for all the, the coughing and throat clearing and all that. I know it's annoying. It has to be because it's so annoying to me. But anyways, let me just get through this. And then she had this little trim that I thought would be great on. I want to make a couple of Christmas journals. And it's, I forget what she calls this, but this here, I guess it reminds me of snowballs. And I thought I could do something with it in a journal. So there's that. And then before I show you what's in the bag, she also coffee dyes muslin. And this is actually my second time buying it. When I got it, I wasn't sure what it, would be like. So she sells it in back quarters, but if you order, more than one, she'll, she'll cut it accordingly. So this is a half a yard, and there's a lot to it. And I just love, look at that. And it smells like coffee, which is a plus, at least for me anyway. But yeah, it's just incredible. And I can't do this. I wouldn't Well, I mean, not that I can't, but I'd rather just get it from Penny than have to go through this myself. So, yeah, so this is the coffee dyed muslin. So there's that. And then the last thing I got was a little like mini journal. I think that's what it is. Let me just move this out of the way. And it comes in a little bag. And that's just so cute. And I think it's a little fall journal I can write in. I can put it in my pocketbook. So there's some fibers. And this looks like, I'm not sure, but it looks like my porch prints. And she's got some tags. You can write on the tags in the pocket. And this here. And then she's got some paper there and a little slot for more tags. I like that. I haven't seen that. And look at how perfect it is, the colors. And then here's another pocket with a tag. Lots of journaling space, which I like. This is really cute, Penny. Look at that. That's really pretty. I love that the pumpkins on orange. There's that. Some coffee dyed paper. Another tag, and she's even got the little frayed trim on there. That's a good idea, doing it that way. I'll have to remember that. And a tuck spot with more journaling. And this could be a tag, or it could be a bookmark. And there's some more journaling pages. And then in the back, another pocket. And oh, isn't that cute? Oh, look at, that's really cute. More space for writing. Oh, it's the tag that has some of the fibers. And then the back. That's really cute, Penny. I'm going to put that in my purse. Excuse me. So there's that. So that's what I got from Penny at the last sale. And like I said, she did tell me that she would have, at least she would have these and the coffee dyed muslin. I'm not sure if she has any left of this. And I don't know if she's made more journals, but if you're interested in grabbing some of this, then head over to the market. Like I said, she's selling on Sunday. And I think on Saturday, Diane Ditzenberger is hosting on her channel, and Sunday it's Rachel Reed on her channel. So like I said, I'll put links to both in the description box, and I hope you go check it out. So that's it for now. Hope to be back really soon with the project share. So everyone have an awesome day. Bye for now.